Assalamu alaikum little stars and welcome back to another episode on Kiki's Corner, and today with me, Ali. Salam alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum, Ali. Wa alaikum assalam. Wa alaikum salam. Wa alaikum assalam. MashaAllah, that's so good. How are you? Alhamdulillah. 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 So today we are going to learn Surah Al-IKhlas. Surah Al-IKhlas. MashaAllah, it's a very easy surah, so we're gonna learn it today. Let's start. Yeah! Yeah! Meow. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Boop. Where did he go? Peekaboo. Oh, Ali. Peekaboo. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's go. Wow. So first, we start off by saying Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We say this before we start reading the Quran, or just everything in general, because it's a blessed way to start the day.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul huwa Allahu ahad. الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد.
Try it together. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد. Again. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد. Well done. One more time.
وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ. Okay, try it with me.
لم يلد ولم يولد الله الصمد. لم يلد ولم يولد.
وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ.
This surah, mashallah, is so easy, mashallah. And anybody can say it, mashallah. And the best thing is, it has huge rewards, mashallah.
قُلْ هُوَ اللَّهُ أَحَدٌ اللَّهُ الصَّمَدُ لَمْ يَلِدْ وَلَمْ يُولَدْ وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ.
Excellent job, Ali. Well done, mashallah. What a lovely, lovely recitation. If you haven't got it, don't worry. It takes time. And, as long as you're trying, that's a reward as well, mashallah. Really? Yeah. Like, if we struggle on anything, whether it's reading Arabic, reading the Quran, every effort or every difficulty has a reward. Mashallah. Yeah, it's really good, mashallah. I'll see you guys next time. Wa alaikum salam. Wa alaikum assalam. Bye bye, everyone.